Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the ringtone in this device. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on sounds and vibration, scroll down, tap on ringtone. So here you can see the option classic themes and agomorphic themes. These two ringtone themes are inbuilt to ringtone. So to change the ringtone, tap on classic themes, and from here you can select any ringtone. So here I am going to select this one. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. Same this way you can select the ringtone from the agomorphic themes also. You can see the ringtone is changed. So if you want to customize or if you want to set a ringtone that you download to a device, tap on the option on this device, and from here you can select any ringtone. Okay, so here I am going to select this one. Yeah, I selected. Now go back. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. So simply in this way you can change the ringtone or you can customize the ringtone in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.